Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm gonna make yeast waffles. And this is exciting. Okay, this is the night before. I'm gonna make my yeast waffles tomorrow morning. This is really easy. Okay, right here, I have 2 cups of flour. This is instant fast-acting yeast. Okay, real easy. I'm just gonna add it to everything else. This is 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 eggs. These are 2 cups of milk and 1 stick of butter. So first, the way this recipe works, my milk has to be warm and I have to melt my butter because we are dealing with yeast. We don't want to have anything really cold. So I'm going to zap my milk in the microwave, make it slightly warm. Depending on your microwave, you just want it to be warm to the touch but not hot. And I'm going to melt my butter. So here's my milk. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Here's my butter. I melted it for 30 seconds. I'm going to add them together. And then I'm just going to set them to the side. Okay, so these are going to kind of stay together and they're just not too cold, they're not hot, they're just slightly warm. So this is my milk and my butter, and it is warm to the touch. Okay, that's how you want it. That's the instructions say warm, not hot. So I'm going to put this to the side. So right here I have another bowl. I'm adding 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Here's 1 tablespoon of my sugar and my salt. And here is my instant yeast. Okay, now I'm going to mix this all together. Now I'm going to add my butter and my milk. And I'm going to mix this together. So right here I have my eggs and my vanilla, and I'm going to mix these together. And then I'm going to add them to my batter. Bring this over, add my eggs, mix at the same time because my batter is slightly lukewarm. So you just want to mix the eggs, everything together. Okay. So this is the night before I'm going to make my waffles. So here's what I'm going to do. I have a cellophane wrap, just a clear wrap. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. And tomorrow it's supposed to be frothy. And then I'm just going to mix it and start making my waffles, and it's going to give it a really nice consistency. They're going to taste excellent. Okay, so I'm excited about this. So this goes in the refrigerator until I wake up tomorrow morning. Good morning, everybody. Today's the next day, and look at the way it looks, frothy. Now, the directions did say that that's the way it was going to look. Pretty cool. Look at that. They said to just move it around, just stir it to reshape, reform it. Okay. So, looks like it's working. So here's my waffle maker. I'm going to spray the inside with a nonstick spray. I'm going to start putting in my batter. And we're going to start making our waffles. I don't want to overfill Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. Here's my waffle. Nice and thick, and it's very airy. They come out really airy with the yeast. Okay, so the way we like it around here, we put jelly. You can put your syrup if you want, but we put jelly. That's the way my son likes it. Okay, so these are waffles made with yeast. I'm gonna have my son try one. Okay, so I'm gonna call my son over here, grab one, and tell everybody what you think of it. What do you think?
It's very airy.
Airy? That's the way that's the way it looks.
Yeah. It tastes more like a cross between a Belgian waffle from Belgium.
Like a Belgian waffle from Belgium?
But
He's been to Belgium.
Not exactly. Theirs are a little more dense.
But they're good?
This is very good.
Very good. All right. So my son says they're very good. All right. So this is yeast waffles. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.